Right, okay. Restringing vintage action man. It's a culprit. It's pretty much together, apart from his head. Got a head there. The arms are fine, but the legs are a little bit loose, especially that one. It's very wobbly. Joints are a bit slack as well, but so yeah, we're gonna have a go at restringing. Right, now before I go anywhere, we're gonna attach his head. So just stick that on there, that's it. Right, from now on, we'll be known as Clive. So hello Clive, hello Clive. Right, so let's get your bits. Right, gonna need elastic obviously. Blade, crochet hook. Probably need some pliers. In fact, yes, we'll need pliers. Right, okay, let's have a go. Right, tight, right, okay. Go anywhere. Right, let's cut the old elastic. Go. One. It should all come to bits now. Here we go. Okay, right. Let's trim this back, get it out of the way. It's a bit tidier. Right. Right, okay, now we've got him all apart. Let's restring him. Right, you want to cut yourself a bit of elastic, about foot and a half, what's that? It's 52 centimetres. Right, and you start off by go through the ball joint. Just if you hook it a bit and tuck it down through the leg, and you should be able to hook it back through like that. There you go. And back up through the hip joint. There you go. Right, in two bits now, feed through the pelvis. Up like that. That's it. And that one comes down through the other side of the pelvis, through the ball joint. Make your hook. Through the leg pin. Your crochet hook. On through. There you go. That's it, right. That one. Back up through the ball joint, back up through the pelvis. There's your bottom done. Right, now down here where you've looped it through, you don't want to get your crochet hook or whatever you've got, and pull that back up through, so you end up with a double loop. Right, so you like that. Now you want to put about 2 fingers through, pull it against there, so you're about that much, I would say, and then tie it off. Oh, got it. Trim off the slack, trim off the excess. Right. Now, all being well, now open the hook. Hook it through. Your elastic. There you go, like that. Right, so close it back up. Yeah, that should do, yeah. Right. Yeah. That metal hook I've made, I'm going to put that through the top of the neck there, feed it through, hook the end over the head hook, and if we're clever, we can get this right. Tuck this through and pull the whole thing through. Careful you don't have your eye out, obviously. Right, pull that up through and get your crochet hook in. Hold it in place. Here you go. Right, that off. Now we can reattach Clive's head. And here we go. How's that? That's it. Clive, is now done. There you go. Thank you. Now I've got to get my wrists done.
It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.